If YouTube TV isn't detecting your Wi-Fi, it can prevent streaming and loading the app. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your device is connected to your home network. Test the Wi-Fi using another app or device to confirm it's working properly. Step 2. Restart your router and your device. Turn off your Wi-Fi router and your smart TV, streaming stick, or mobile device. Wait 10 seconds, then turn them back on. A simple power cycle fixes most connection issues. Step 3. Forget the Wi-Fi network and reconnect. Open your device settings, go to Network and Wi-Fi, select your home network, and choose Forget Network. Reconnect by entering your Wi-Fi password again. This refreshes the connection and clears saved errors. Step 4. Disable VPN or proxy services. If a VPN or proxy is active, YouTube TV may not detect your Wi-Fi correctly. Turn off any VPN apps or privacy tools and try again. Step 5. Update your device and the YouTube TV app. Install the latest software updates on your smart TV, streaming device, phone, or tablet. Then update the YouTube TV app to the newest version. Outdated software can block Wi-Fi detection. Step 6. Reset network settings if the issue continues. Go to your device settings, open the System or Reset menu, and select Network Reset. After the reset, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Step 7. Open YouTube TV again. The app should now detect your Wi-Fi and allow smooth streaming. Following these steps usually fixes Wi-Fi detection issues and restores full YouTube TV functionality. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.